Hello everyone, Teacher Teresa from VipKid, Go Kid, Outschool, and BlingABC. Coming to you today to talk about Valentine's Day. I always do Valentine's Day from the 1st of February up until the day after. Our students already know about Chinese New Year, so I de-emphasize that. I do put decorations up for Chinese New Year the day after Valentine's Day because it's close enough, except for this year it happens to fall on the 15th. So this year I have to do it a little different. I have to get the Valentine's Day stuff down the day after Valentine's Day. But I always use Valentines as my rewards for Valentine's Day because they're super easy to get a hold of and they're cheap and the kids love the pictures. And some of them, if they don't have hearts on them, I'll use as rewards throughout the year. You'll notice I cut out some things. Usually it's like be mine or whatever. I cut that out so that way I can use them later in the year too. But I do keep a couple with hearts on them, like my kitties still have hearts, but I still use those for lessons on teaching cats and dogs and such too. But that's my tip for Valentine's Day. Oh, and music. I always bring in a lot of music when I do the holidays. So Jack Hartman Kids Music Channel, The Learning Station, and Super Simple Songs and Coco Melon are my go-tos for holiday songs. All right, everybody, I'll see you next time. Happy Valentine's Day!